Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. We're back again with another video for the Newsrun, and this time I'm gonna bring you guys something savory. So I know that everybody was really annoyed because all I was doing was sweet treats for the last couple of videos, and I had gotten a bunch of requests to actually do something that wasn't sweet. So I'm actually gonna do a flavored nut concoction. So basically what we're doing is we're putting in our favorite flavoring. So I like it spicy with a little bit of soy sauce, and I'm also going to be adding in some sugar-free maple syrup just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And then you mix it together and you microwave it. Now this is a really simple method of just roasting the nuts and also ensuring that the flavorings kind of stick to them, and you get like a really lovely texture. What I will say is that once you've microwaved them for 30 seconds, just mix them so that nothing is sticking and the nuts are not scorched, and also you just make sure that they are cooked all the way through, and then you microwave them again, and then once that's done, just place them on a dish lined with parchment paper, and just allow them to cool down. The parchment paper is important because this won't let it stick to the dish that you're gonna leave them in. And once they're done, you can enjoy them. This is an absolutely delicious snack, really easy to make, and I hope you guys liked it. Take care of yourselves. Bye.